Is this red?
Huh?
Is it red?
Yes.
Hey, Jason, what's up?
Right here.
You like that drummer boy? See him come up for a
Up here, Dave, come on, up here. I thought this would make you very happy. You're not happy? Okay, turn around. Oh, ow.
That's why he's not like
Play nicely now. How do you play it?
Now I know you're not too loud from here.
Play it nice. Let's see.
Play?
Okay, play it, play it. Hurry.
Come on, we want to hear you play it.
Use the sticks.
Use the stick nicely. Go ahead, hurry up. Let me see you play. Hurry.
I know you want to.
Nicely. Nicely. Are you playing nicely? Let me see you play. Hurry.
Pull it.
Oh, play it nicely.
Hey, all right.
Is it too
Not
loud?
really loud. Not so loud.
Is
Not
it
so
too
nicely.
loud for you?
Play nicely. Let me see you play nicely. Soft.
You did.
All right. Good job.
Can you play to get a picture? Play it real nice.
Play nice for Peggy.
Yeah, play real nice. I'll get a picture. Hurry,
Come
get a
on.
picture. Get a picture. Play it, play it. Yay!
All right, Jason.
Ta-da! Are you done?
No, not now. He's just getting into it.
Now he's hooked on it.
Now
Warming
he's
up.
gonna play. Okay, you done or what are you doing? Are you done or what are you doing?
Thank you, Jimbo.
Who's Jimbo? Are you done? Oh, look, he's putting him on
On
there
the
like.
Wiggly Adventure.
Oh, Wiggly Adventure plays the drum. Nicely play.
Look at you play the drum.
Are you done or not? Play one more time, then we can go eat. Nicely, nicely. Little drummer boy, sing and play. Can you sing Little Drummer Boy?
Yes, you can.
I played for you, pum 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 pum. Let me see you play for Rumba Pum Pum. Okay, you done?
Did you play that, Jason? That was
So, yeah,
wonderful.
say thank
High five,
you.
Jason.
High five.
All right.
Say thank you, Miss Vivian. He liked it. He knew what to do. He was like overwhelmed.
Thank you for playing.